Chuck here with VMP Performance, and everyone knows what time of year it is. It's time for the annual Black Friday sale here at VMP Performance. We've loaded up big this year and we're bringing some of the best deals we've ever brought, including the brand new Odin Supercharger on sale for the very first time. We've got these things in stock and ready to roll, so make sure you get yours ordered soon because they won't last long. Along with that, we've got our throttle bodies, our pulleys, we've got heat exchangers, the entire cooling line. We've even got deals on shop rates and our vacation packages. Make sure you head on over to VMPPerformance.com for all the details. Check out the links in the description below or hit up one of our awesome dealers for great deals. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.